Let me say something slightly controversial. Most businesses don't need AI tools. They need clarity on where AI actually makes the money. Over the last 3 years, we worked with 50 plus businesses ranging from government affiliated organizations to scaling SaaS companies, and we've helped clients unlock up to $15,000 per month in cost savings or new revenue, sometimes even significantly more. And the difference is, we don't start with tools, we start with ROI. Today, I'm breaking down the exact ROI-based AI audit framework that we use internally, and I'm giving you this framework for free. So if you're serious about implementing AI without wasting money, this is for you. Right now, businesses are drowning in AI hype. Too many tools, too many AI experts, no measurable outcomes. And we've consistently seen this pattern. Businesses struggling to integrate AI because of A, overwhelming information, B, implementation complexity, C, wasted money without measurable ROI. And here's the truth nobody says clearly. AI without financial clarity is just expensive experimentation, and experimentation without constraints becomes liability. Let me anchor this in real numbers. Last year, we helped an Irish business add over €200,000 in additional revenue purely from AI-driven automations.
Hi, Michael. This is Thomas with Orthodox Electric and Generators. Good, how are you?
I'm good, thank you, sir. My turnover has gone up from just over 300,000 to just under $500,000.
Can you attribute a lot of that to the quotes?
Absolutely. It has saved me so much time. It's quite incredible.
Okay.
The speed so you're not doing these repetitive quotes. It just frees you up to think about how to expand your business.
Yeah, let's go ahead and do it then.
We were able to achieve this while also saving him 30 hours per month in manual operations. That's not a productivity hack, that's genuine operational leverage. We also delivered other projects including lead qualification systems, custom SaaS builds, automation systems saving up to 3 hours per day per founder, and AI optimization products and systems saving other companies €15,000 per month in operational waste. We don't build AI features, we build financial multipliers, and it starts with this audit. So let me now break down this ROI-based AI audit framework that we use internally into steps that you can understand. Step 1, constraint mapping. This is where we essentially understand where the time and money leakages happen. Before we ever even mention AI tools, we ask, where are you losing 3 hours plus per day? Where are leads dropping off? Where are the manual approvals slowing down? Where are the decisions being made without structured data? Then we quantify it. If someone is spending 30 hours per week manually quoting leads, that's 120 hours per month. Multiply that by their true effective hourly rate. Now we have financial bottlenecks. Not a feeling, but a number. Step 2, the occurrence filter. From our internal client analysis, we understand and we try and understand, is this problem reoccurring? AI is only worth really implementing if it solves repeatable friction. If it happens daily, weekly, monthly, it qualifies. If it's random, then it's not really worth automating in the first place. This filter alone eliminates most bad AI investments. Step 3, revenue lever identification. Every opportunity must fall into one of 3 of these buckets. Increases revenue, reduces operational costs, increases execution speed. An example, an e-commerce client needed better personalization. We built a behavioral recommendation engine. Result, roughly 15% uplift in sales. Small lift, but huge margins, especially compounding over 12 months. That's real. By the way, I've taken this entire audit framework and built it into a structured Notion document. It's the exact framework we use internally when auditing businesses. It includes the constraint mapping worksheet, the occurrence filter checklist, the revenue lever scoring, ROI projection modeling, internal assets and SaaS evaluation logic. You can download it for free using the link which is in the description, duplicate it, run it internally, and audit your own business. Most businesses will never actually do this, and that's exactly why most businesses never see measurable ROI with artificial intelligence. Step 4, internal asset or SaaS leverage. Now here's where most agencies stop. They automate something, they deploy it, they leave. We ask a different question. Can this become an asset? Can this automation be reused internally again? Be standardized, be productized, become a proprietary system, or even evolve into its own standalone SaaS product. Because when AI becomes an asset, it doesn't just reduce cost, it increases enterprise overall value. Some of our highest ROI builds were just system optimizations. They became scalable internal engines And that is the real leverage point. Step 5 of the audit framework: outcome-based implementations. Most AI agencies sell deliverables. We engineer outcomes, which is why our guarantee is simple. We don't stop refining until the system works. If it's not producing measurable value, it's not finished. AI should be accountable, not experimental. The reason most businesses waste money on AI is because they skip the audit. They want implementation without clarity. That's like asking for surgery without a diagnosis. We refuse to build before we measure because our mission has always been clear: empower businesses to unlock measurable growth through strategic AI implementation, not hype, not trends, measurable ROI. So, if you want to implement this properly, download the free Notion AI Audit Framework below, run it internally, and when you're ready to go a little bit deeper, book your free ROI-based clarity call, and on that call, I will personally help you identify exactly where you're leaking time or money, map your highest ROI AI opportunity, and audit whether AI is even the right move for you at your current stage. And I will also help you by giving you a strategic roadmap forward. Because I would rather tell you you're not ready yet than let you waste 20,000 euros chasing AI hype. And we only take on 3 to 4 builds at any given time. So if you want your business to become an AI native profit engine, download this framework, then book your free ROI-based clarity call. Let's make AI engineered, let's make it measurable, and let's make it profitable. I'll see you soon.